Hello, first grade superstars. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. What are we going to do today? Today, we are going to see how many ways we can make 10. We are going to decompose the number 10. Now, what do you need? You can use a whiteboard, or you can use your paper and pencil, or you can simply watch what I do. You can pause the video at any given time. Let's begin. So, at first, we are going to do exactly as our instruction says, and it says we need to start by circling 5. So, let's count, and I'm going to go, and we can see, yep, we're going to circle 5, and let's make sure. That's one, two, three, 4, 5. Circle 5. Then it says, how many more will you need to add to 5 to make to 10? So then I start thinking, how many more will 5 need to make 10? Do you know? So I have 5. So I know 5 plus blank equals. So how many more do I need? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more? 5, because 5 plus 5 more equals 10. Now we're going to use a part whole model to fill it in. So let's fill our blocks in on this side. I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, because it's a double number, the number is repeated. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And you're going to see why when I go to the next slide. I also know that 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now, let's move on to the next one. Now, in this problem, they are asking us to circle only 2. So it says circle 2. Then, how many more will 2 need to add to make 10? So let's start off by circling 2 pieces. So we circle 2. How many does 2 need to make 10? So I know that we needed 2, and 2 needs what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 actually needs how many more? 8 more, because 2 and 8 makes 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. So let's put it in. So part, whole. So let's fill our model in. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Or 8 plus 2 equals 10. Whichever way you turn it around, they both add up to be 10. Let's do it differently. 10 equals 2 plus 8. Or 10 equals 8 plus 2. Sweet. Let's check another problem out. Now in this problem, they wanted us to circle only 1. So it says circle 1. How many more does 1 need to make 10? So how many more does 1 need to make 10? Now circle 1. So I circled 1, my plus sign. So 1, let me count on to see how many more would be. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know I have 10 altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So 1 and 9 is, it makes 10. Therefore, 1 plus 9 makes 10, or 9 plus 1 makes 10. And if we're going to turn it around, we can say 10 is equal to 1 plus 9, or we can say 10 is equal to 9 plus 1. See? Very, very easy. Now, let's look at another one. How about this time, we are going to circle 8. I hope you guys like this one so far. Now, this time we're circling 8. I know there's 5 at the top and there's 5 at the bottom, and I can count this way. And now I have 8. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 in my circle plus something to make 10. How many is left over? 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 8 and 2 makes 10. So 8 and 2 more makes 10, or 2 and 8 makes 10. Whichever way you count them first, they amount to be the same thing. So we can say what? 10 is the same as having 2 plus 8, or 10 is the same as having 8 plus 2. Is this easier for you guys? Beautiful. All right, we're almost done. Now let's look at this one. This is our last one, guys. We're going to circle 10. How many more does 10 need to make 10? This looks like a tricky one. Circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know he has 10 fingers. So circle 10. How many more does 10 need to make 10? How many? You are right. 0. 10 does not need anything else to make 10 because it is already 10. So 10 plus 0 is still 10. So how would we represent that? We would say 10 plus 0, or nothing, is still 10. Or nothing plus 10 is still 10 because he didn't add anything to it. It doesn't need anything. So 10 is equal to nothing plus 10. Or 10 is equal to 10 plus nothing. Whichever way you take it, we're dealing with 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. If you need more, just put in the comments what you'd like me to put in as a first grader, and I'll definitely teach it for you. Until next time, bye guys.